Okay, next appliance to show you is the espresso machine, the domestic machine. So we're going to pull an espresso shot first of all, and then after that we're going to make a latte. So you'll notice with the machine when you buy it, it has generally two baskets. You've got a smaller one for a single, and then you'll have a deeper filter that will have two spouts, and that will be to do 2 cups in one time. Today we're going to be doing just the 1 cup. So espresso grind size is generally the finest in the grind range. So you want to load up the basket with coffee, just tamper it a little bit as well. You want to compress it. Then you'll have a tamper. So the idea is that you put a bit of force on it, then you're leveling it off, and then just brush off any excess coffee. So that should hold in there. Then the machine is up to temperature. So we're just going to lock this in, the group handle in, but you notice that it's got these lugs on either side. So they actually lock up into there. You've got to feel that, and then as you move it around, you'll feel that pressure lock itself in. Then we simply turn it on. So it's the pump that you can hear. That's a pretty good extraction. You want a nice golden colour. We're looking for around about 30 mils for 25 seconds or so, which is about 1/3 of a cup. That's how it should look. Okay, milk frothing. On the G79 we have a toggle switch here to power up for the milk, and then a lever over here as well, which will build up steam pressure and then pass the water and steam pressure through this nozzle into the milk. So the steam wand is just underneath the surface. I've got the milk jug on an angle, and you want to get a rotating action, a whirlpool, so called. You can use a thermometer on the side to measure milk temperature, but I just like to use my hand till it gets hot. I'm looking at about 65 degrees Celsius. It's quite hot there now, so I'll turn that off. Turn it back. Just give it a tap to get rid of the large bubbles. Bit of a stir, and then pour it in. And then you have perfect coffee.